So year of 2024 and 2015. Okay, so you can see
Okay.
this is the map 2015 and this is the map for 2024 LST map.
With the same months or different months?
Okay, you can also zoom, then also get more better. Suppose you can check. You can see. So you can see this is the
Yeah.
result for 2024. Okay, so now this is the 24. Okay, but when I just go to the right side, you can see this is the result for 2020 2015. So you can
With the
check.
same months, the same period?
So this is the annually. We try to write the code for, so we can also change the time period from here. Okay, suppose 2024. In this case, we take it for annually. It's a annual, mainly January, January to December. Okay, but we can also change the time. No problem.
Yeah. Actually, we are concerning about the summer months, which are June, July, and August. So if we
June,
can
July,
compare only summer months between 2 years,
June, July, and August. Yeah.
yes,
So basically January,
between two
February, March,
different years. I
April,
mean,
June,
2015,
July, August.
2024.
So January, February, March, April, May, June. Basically 6.
6, 7,
Okay,
and 8.
and 8. Okay, just we put here the 8. Okay, June to
Yeah.
August. Okay, 2024, and I also change for 2015, June to August. 6 to 8.
8.
Okay, so now we can get the result regarding this changes. So just run the code. Okay. Okay, it also better if I just run it. It show the United States, you can see, but I want to focus the Saudi Arabia region, mainly Riyadh. So for the write it,
Yeah.
suppose map dot set center, and I put here the latitude. So let me check that latitude longitude value for Riyadh. So our Riyadh Riyadh latitude longitude value. Okay, so just we put here okay, 24.7136. Just take copy and paste here, and then another one is for 46.6735. So now it directly focus on our study area.
Yeah.
Okay, not focusing, just a minute. I think we make the mistake for that. Just I copy. Okay, so it not focus, just a minute.
What does it mean?
Map dot set center. So we try to focus the center. So in this time it show the United States, but when you just scroll, or we, okay,
Yeah,
let
yeah.
me try another function. Just a minute. Map dot center object. Object is ry. Zoom level 10. Now let's check. No, it show that United States. Just a minute.
In the first code which I sent, there is a line for this thing. If you went to the first code which I sent, you will find it.
Okay, randomly if I just go, then you can see randomly if you go, then zoom for Riyadh.
Yeah.
Okay, and we also need to change the visualization parameter, then you also get the more better result. Okay, so you can see 2024 we find out that high temperature. Yeah, so okay, let me just
Yeah.
change
Could you
the,
go to the urban area, please?
yeah, urban area.
Yeah, this urban. Yep.
Okay, so it also look more better. Just a minute, I simply change the visualization from here. So okay, let me just put here. Okay, I also put the same time period also in here. Okay, so 2000, yeah, it's from June to August.
8.
Yeah, 8.
Yes.
And also 2015
0608.
0608. So now run the code. So just I try to change the visualization, then map this map look more pretty. So now I can see it show that's totally red color. Okay, so it's not a good map. So for that we try to put in here, just put in here LST, and then just stressing. So now it automatically show, you can see 46.65 and 58.41. So this is the stressing range. If I just
Yes.
apply, so now this map look like that. So this same value 2015 I simply copy, just copy and use in my this code, then it will look more better. 2015. Okay, so from where yeah, where is it? Yeah, so 2015. So just I simply change it, this mean value, and also change for max value. We also change, then this map look like that. Okay, 58.41.
Yeah.
Just copy and paste here. Pasted. Same as for 2024 also. Just I open the layer of 2024. Just click on here and stressing 98%. Okay, just apply. So now we find out this type of map 44. Just I copy the mean value and then change it. Okay, and also copy the max value 60.7. Just copy and change it. So now we find out the more better map for visualization. Okay, so just
Right.
run the code. Okay, randomly focus on the Saudi Arabia,
Mm.
Riyadh region. Okay, so now further, and these things you can also use as a web application. Okay, so just we just create a apps, so anyone visit the app, then they can easily compare. And you can say I also write the in here list 2024. So now this is the map 2024. Okay, this map display, but when I go to here we find out the result for 2015. You can see 2024 lot of temperature increase. Okay, due to
Yeah.
the, you can see in the urban area it also increase, and 2050 very less temperature we find out for this type of high temperature. But 2024 we find out that maximum place, we find out the red color, you can see.
Yes.
Okay, lot of temperature increasing, and for the build up or urban area, okay, we can easily find out this type of things place. Okay,
Okay.
you can see the comparison. Okay, so you can see
Yeah.
2024 very high temperature, and 2015 not much. 2015 not much, you can
Yeah.
see.
I
Okay,
see.
you can see. So this is our one requirement. I try to create this type of things. Okay, so this is the one spin
Can
plot.
we,
Yeah,
sorry, Mr. Rahman,
please.
can we decrease the contrast of the color so we can, I mean, so we can check the map with the color?
Okay, so you can also decrease the color also from here. Okay,
No, no, not the color itself. I mean, the contrast to be a bit transparent.
transparent means.
I mean, I need to decrease the intensity of the color to see the map below it.
Okay, so did you talk about the gamma or opacity?
What is,
Okay,
yeah, maybe opacity.
opacity. Okay, just a minute. Let me control the opacity. Just a minute. So now, okay, just I decrease the opacity and apply. Yeah, so you can see. Okay, so
Yes.
now we find out that background. If you want, you can also add the satellite. Basically, yeah. So this type of background without level. So now it will be, I think it will be look more better. Okay. So this is the, you can see this is the building.
Yes.
So now this opacity we need to connect in here, otherwise when I refresh then it will be removed. So let me just import it, just import, and from the import 2024. Okay, so okay, it also better. Okay, if I just put here the VIZ, and this variable I want to add for 2024. Okay, I also need to do for same things for the 2015.
Yes.
Uh, okay, so 2024. Okay, just I remove it. Just I remove all of those. Okay, and I want to apply here VIZ. Okay, now run the code again. Now let's check what happened for the visualization 2024. The opacity is not decrease.
Mm.
Okay, just a minute. I try to add from here. So these things I simply copy and then remove it. I want to directly add in my visualization without taking the variable.
Mm.
So now in this case I set the opacity 0.78, then this it's not need, when is not need. Then add the mean value, mean temperature will I add, then add the max value, then add the plated, color plated, different color plated we try to add in here. Okay, so now try to run and check what happened. uh, ah. Okay, now it worked. Yeah, so now it worked, you can see. So now,
The opacity.
yeah, so now opacity is work. Okay, you can see now opacity is work. So now this same thing we can also apply for 2015. So for that, just simply add the opacity, same opacity. You can also increasing or decreasing the opacity, then also easily add from here. Just I paste here, I put the same opacity, so just run the code. Just decreasing
What
the
about the upper left corner? Why there is no color there?
which one.
Just 1 minute. The upper left corner. Why there is no color there? In the urban area, there is a corner. There is no color there.
This one.
Yeah, just go up, please. No, no, no. Yeah, go left. Yeah. Okay, go. Okay. Now see this urban area, which is in the upper left corner. There is no color there.
This one.
No, no. Keep the slide bar. Just go by the mouse. Keep the slide bar. Just go by the mouse. No, keep it as it is. Just go by the mouse.
Okay, just I zoom it.
Yeah. Zoom out, please. See in the upper left corner in the urban area, there is no color.
Urban area left corner. This one.
Yes, yeah, yeah, that's right.
Okay, so basically it's a shape file. Okay, so I think this shape file of Riyadh look like that. Okay, so just I simply import this shape file. This shape file. This shape file I import. We can see
Okay,
this is not any kind. It's not cover. Okay, so this is the area of
it's
Riyadh.
not color.
Yeah. So this same shape
Mm-hmm.
file I upload in here and try to make the analysis. Okay.
Okay,
Okay. So this shape file is look like that. So that's
I
why
see.
it look like work. Yeah.
Okay, so this is the first thing. Okay, what about the others?
Okay, so this is the one way we try to complete for create the split layer to comparison between two map 2015 and 2024. Okay, so this is the one, and another one. Okay, so then you can see this is